Hi everyone out there. Let's learn a few do's and don'ts that will help keep your silk sari forever charming through this video. Silk saris will always hold a special place in women's wardrobes, being among the most expensive and delicate pieces. Some saris require extra attention due to their sheen texture, unmatched shine, and gorgeous appeal, and of course, sentimental values. However, typically only one option comes to mind for maintaining silk saris is always dry cleaning, which often leaves us unsatisfied. While it's true that silk requires a little more care, its stunning appearance surpasses that of any other sari. Many people wish to clean and maintain silk saris at home without causing any damage, and it is indeed possible. Before performing any task, it is crucial to know what needs to be done to avoid any mistakes or damage to your evergreen silks. Check whether it bleeds or not. Before you hand wash your silk sari, make sure to check whether it bleeds or not. That is the first step. Do a small spot test on a less conspicuous area to check if the color will bleed or not. If the color is bleeding, it is better advised to proceed with only dry cleaning instead of hand washing and testing it. The next step is how to wash silk saris. When washing your delicate silk sari, avoid using bleach or harsh detergents as they can cause color fading and damage the fabric. Instead, opt for a mild liquid detergent with a gentle fabric softener to ensure proper care. Avoid using hot water as it will affect the shine and luster of the silk. Ensure using room temperature water. After wash, how to dry silk saris? That's the next question. After washing the silk sari, it is essential to dry it in the shade to prevent color fading. Hang the sari straight to avoid wrinkles during the drying process. Keeping the sari straight is crucial as the threads might get pulled to one side, potentially spoiling the sari's appearance. How to safe keep silk saris is the next method. Once a sari is dry, it may stretch if you hang it for a long period. Store it safely by slightly folding and wrapping it in malmal cotton cloth. Keep the silk sari in a cool, dry, and dark place. Never use a plastic bag for safekeeping the silk sari, as it traps moisture and leads to mildew growth. Whether to use mothballs or not, that's a $1 million question. Never use mothballs. Alternatively, you can use cedar blocks or lavender sachets to deter insects and impart a pleasant fragrance. You can also place silica gel packs in your wardrobe to absorb unwanted moisture that could result in mildew or mold growth. Iron is needed for silk saris, is it? When it comes to making neat pleats in silk, it becomes a little tricky, and most people are afraid to iron the sari as it might ruin the texture. To get an effortless shine, you need to iron your silk sari inside out with a low temperature iron. The trick here is to keep a cotton cloth between the sari and the iron to avoid any kind of damage. Since silk is delicate in texture, using too much steam will spoil the fabric's texture and feel. Chemical spots can last forever. Avoid using body spray on your silk sari to prevent chemical spots or color fading. Body sprays often contain oils and alcohol, which can leave stubborn stains on delicate fabric. These chemicals can directly affect the color and appearance of your favorite silk sari. It's best to keep body sprays away from your sari and opt for alternative fragrance options. Did you stain your silk sari? Silk saris can be worn continuously. And if you spill something or notice a spot on your sari, try to pat dry the area gently with a clean tissue. Do not drag or rub the affected area. It will cause damage to the fabric. Remove the excess liquid with the tissue and soak the sari in lukewarm water. This will prevent the stain from setting in. Use a gentle shampoo to remove the stain and then dry the sari in the dark. Follow these instructions and steps to ensure that your evergreen silk sari, which is close to your heart, will remain beautiful, vibrant, and cherished for years to come. Take care of these beauties with love and care, and they will remain a timeless symbol of elegance and grace if you treat them with love and care. To get in touch with us, WhatsApp at 9880567 492. Thank you for watching.